Hello all, welcome to Value Trades channel. Today I would love to share certain thoughts with you. I would Here you can see that there is a big channel that has been developed, which is actually running all the way from the top of the October. This is the channel. This is a bigger channel which is actually running, which is bearish in outlook, and within which there is a channel that is appearing to be formed. We cannot really be so sure of it, but yes, it is appearing that there is a channel, bearish channel that is formed already, which is this one. This is the channel. Okay, so this is the channel that is already formed, and why I have considered this channel, what makes me pick only this channel is only because you see, usually whenever the VIX is high, whenever the market have collapsed or some fear factor has triggered in, okay, usually the channels become very narrower and very steep in nature. Matlab narrow in the sense like there is not much of a space that would be available in the breadth of the channel, and this is the first feature. And the second feature is it is very steep in nature. It doesn't make a angle of 45 degrees, which ideally it should be making, okay, but rather it chooses a very steep angle. So these are usually the features whenever the market is on a very high VIX mode. So for this, if this structure has to stay intact, I see a big fall to be coming. Tomorrow is a holiday, and on Friday, I think that if this channel is correct, then there is a good gap down that is coming with at least a minimum of 200 points, bare minimum, and then further a very serious fall can be seen. This is my outlook for Nifty. This is Nifty 50, and this is all at 1 day level. Now let me take you to the Bank Nifty and show you the same. So as far as the Bank Nifty is concerned, this is a Bank Nifty chart. Here it is the same again, wherein there is a clear channel that is already established. This is at least for the moment, this is a bearish trend line that it has to respect. And there is if you connect the low of the established low and the low that has made on Monday, and there is this line which can potentially act as a support. So if this support is taken out, and more to it, there is a gap that needs to be filled eventually. Okay, if this support is taken out, then I see the market to be coming out onto at a very lower levels. If once this one is taken out, if this support is taken out on Friday, by the month end, you will be seeing the market to be coming at 48,000 and 47,000 respectively. As this level 47,300 is something is associated, because if you start connecting these two lows. Also, this is the outlook for the next few trading sessions, and for the same reason I have even purchased certain positions on 48,500 PE. I'll show it to you now, and so let me take you to the premium chart. So the things were a bit today, by the way the market has ended, it was trying to show you certain hints. Here you can see that I have picked up at 366 rupees. So my next targets are, I expect that the market should open more than above 477. If this 477 is taken out, the next available target is directly at 852, right? So this is a target that I am expecting, and this they all can only become true only if the market comes out giving an opening of more than at least 450 to 477. Okay, at least the bare minimum that it has to do is it has to break the today's high, which is actually at 430 rupees. So if 430 rupees, if the market can open more than 430 rupees, then yes, once this 477 is taken out, it is only all good heading to 852. So this is the position that I have made on Bank Nifty, and I'm carrying it. So yeah, this is what my outlook is. Let us see to what extent that the market makes it true. But for this to happen, as I have already written over here, it is 22,220. So the market has to come opening less than this. Only in such scenario, most of the things might fall into the place, and we can see potentially a very big fall to be coming on Friday. But it has to open with less than 22,200 at least bare minimum. Only then a fall can be easily seen. Otherwise, it could be again become choppy, or even if the fall comes, the fall can be very little. So these are the stuff. So as far as for this moment, I can take you down to the ADR. Here, this is the ADR. You can see that HDFC Bank. The HDFC Bank has already tumbled by more than 2%. Here you can see it very clearly. And then IBN ADR, which is Infosys Bank ADR, which is already trading at minus 1%. So it is likely to happen. Though the Gift Nifty might be indicating a minor gap down, it is just probably for this moment it is showing a gap down of 30 to 40 points. But I think by the time the market opens on Friday, it would be much more, because if the HDFC Bank closes so badly and ICICI Bank ADR also closes so badly, both of them are ADRs. If they both close badly, then yes, we are likely to see a good fall on Friday. So let us see what the market does, and if everything becomes correct and whatever that happens, I'll post the next video about the same. So this is it that I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you are having a great day. Enjoy your festival, enjoy your day. Have a great time. Thank you so much.